This ends tonight. Tagged. No more running.
Everyone trusts him? That's exactly the problem.
She saw something she shouldn't have.
All right, viewers. Today I'm back again with an amazing niche for all of you. And yes, this one is 100% free. So make sure you watch this video till the end because you don't want to miss this opportunity. In this video, I'm going to show you a brand new tool that I personally use to create all these niches. Now, without wasting any time, let's jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is go over to TikTok and search for the channel USA True Story. Once you open it, you'll instantly notice the massive views, millions of likes, and a huge number of followers. This clearly shows that this channel is trending like crazy right now. If you scroll through their content, you'll see that they are consistently uploading 2D character-based horror shorts along with some lifestyle-related content. And the crazy part is, many of these videos are getting hundreds of thousands to even millions of views, which is absolutely insane. Now here's the best part. I've already prepared a complete master prompt for you, which includes everything you need: scene breakdowns, detailed image prompts, video prompts, and even voiceover. Scripts, all perfectly structured in one place. And you'll find this master prompt in the description, so make sure to check it out. All you have to do is copy it, go to ChatGPT, paste it, and simply click on Generate. Within just 1 to 2 minutes, boom, your entire content package will be ready, including all prompts structured in a clean and professional way. You can review each part carefully, and you'll notice how clean, unique, and trending everything looks. You'll get around 12 complete scenes, and each scene will already have image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover scripts ready to go. After that, simply copy everything, paste it into a document file, and save it properly so it becomes super easy for you to generate images and videos later without any confusion. Now moving to the next step, which is image generation. For this, you're going to use Flow AI, and this part is extremely important, so don't skip it. This niche works best specifically on Flow AI using the Nano Banana tool, so make sure you don't use any other generator here. Just open Flow AI, click on Create with Flow AI, select Nano Banana, paste your prompt, and hit Generate. Within just 30 to 40 seconds, your first high-quality 2D character image will be ready, clean, sharp, and perfectly styled according to your niche. Then simply repeat the exact same process for all your prompts, generating each image one by one without rushing. And once you're done, boom, you'll have a complete set of stunning 2D character images where each image represents a different scene of your story. Finally, just download your favorite scenes. And now comes the most exciting part. In the next step, I'm going to show you another powerful tool where you can convert these images into videos completely free, so stay with me. So let's move forward and take this to the next level. All right, viewers, now let's talk about video generation. For this, you simply need to use Leonardo AI. Earlier, I already showed you how to generate images with Leonardo AI for 100% free. But today I'm going to teach you how to generate high-quality videos step by step. First, click on Start. Then go to Sign In and choose Continue with Email. After that, you'll need to use a free temporary email, just like I showed you before. Simply copy the email, paste it here, and set a strong password to secure your account. You can even use the suggested password option if you want to make things faster and easier. Then click on Create Account. A verification code will be sent to your temporary email, so go there, copy the code, paste it here, and log in successfully. Once you're logged in, you'll notice that you receive 150 credits for free, which is more than enough to get started. And don't worry, I'll also show you how to repeat this process again and again to get more credits. Now, since we want to generate videos instead of images, simply zoom out a bit and click on the video option. You'll see that the first model, Motion 2.0 Fast, is already selected by default. Keep in mind, this model does not include voiceover, but it will generate smooth and realistic motion for your images. It takes around 70 credits per video, which means with one login, you can easily create about 2 videos. After that, you can repeat the login process multiple times to generate even more videos, up to 6 to 8, or even more depending on your needs. Now, upload your first image in the start frame, go to the prompt section, paste your video prompt, and click on Generate. Wait for about 20 to 25 seconds, and boom, your video will be ready with smooth and professional motion. Then repeat the same process for your second image. Alright, I select the second one again. After selecting the second one, I give it the prompt as well and click on the generate option, and this time I have to wait again for about 1 to 2 minutes because you already know that when you use a free tool and it's 100% free, you do have to wait a little, so don't worry about it. After waiting for a short time, just like that, boom, my second video is also ready here. And within seconds, your second video will also be ready. This tool is honestly amazing because it creates videos extremely fast, efficiently, and without any complicated steps. Now, once your credits are used, simply go back, log out, and repeat the same process again. Sign in using a temporary email, copy and paste it, set a password, verify your account, and log in again. Instantly, you'll receive another 150 credits, which means you can generate almost unlimited videos using this simple method. This makes Leonardo AI a very powerful and completely free tool for video generation. Now let's move to another amazing tool, Flow AI. As I mentioned earlier, Flow AI is not only great for images, but also works really well for video generation. Here, I select 2 images, apply a proper prompt, and choose the VO3, one light model, which only uses 10 credits per video. Flow AI gives you 50 daily credits, meaning you can easily create around 5 videos every single day. After selecting your images and prompts, simply click on Generate, and your videos will start processing instantly. Wait for a short time, and boom, both videos will be ready for you. You can play them one by one and clearly see how smooth, clean, and high quality the animations look.
Everyone trusts him? That's exactly the problem.
This ends tonight. Tagged. No more running.
Flow AI even supports voiceover, which makes it even more powerful and useful for content creation. Finally, open CapCut. Import all your generated videos, arrange them properly in sequence on the timeline, and if there's any logo, simply zoom in slightly to remove it. Once everything looks perfect and aligned, export your final video in high quality. And just like that, your professional video is completely ready.
She saw something she shouldn't have. And now, it was watching her back.
He doesn't fight people, he fights his rage. You think it's a coincidence? No, it was planned.
This is honestly amazing and super powerful. Today, I showed you 2 powerful tools. One you already knew, and another brand new one for video generation. I really hope you found this video helpful and valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we bring you new tools, new ideas, and new niches every single day. I'll see you in the next video with another exciting idea. Until then, take care and goodbye.